Saya jatuh cinta dengan tempe. Sejak saat itu saya makan tempe untuk sarapan, makan siang, dan makan malam setiap hari.
And I was sure that it was going to be a big thing because it was great flavor and great nutrition and a great texture.
Pertama kali, wah langsung cinta. Itu I love. Setiap hari dari itu makan tempe.
This is tempeh. Tempeh is made by slightly fermenting soybeans and packing the mixture down into a firm, dense patty. Tempeh is often confused with its soy-based, starts with the letter T, cousin, tofu. And let's just clear the water now. They are not the same thing. Both serve as essential plant-based proteins for your diet. However, tempeh is made from whole soybeans and is less processed, while tofu is made from coagulated soy milk pressed into blocks. In its natural state, tempeh is much more flavorful, dense, and almost crunchy in texture, while tofu tends to be less flavorful, soft, and spongy in consistency. Tempeh originated in Indonesia. Legend has it that tempeh was created accidentally from discarded soybeans at a tofu factory on the island of Java. Nowadays, you can use tempeh in just about anything. We recommend using tempeh as a taco filling, in veggie burgers, stir fries, salads, or on sandwiches. And the good thing is, it's pretty easy to just tear out of the package, slice up, and cook with a sauce or a few simple spices. Is tempeh good for you though? Most definitely. As all soy-based foods go, tempeh is high in complete protein, low in fat, and oh yeah, has zero cholesterol.
Rumah Tempe Azaki Bogor is an export quality tempe production house that has applied the Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) and Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point (CCP) system. Our location in Bogor City, Indonesia. Rumah Tempe Azaki has a production area of 360 meters square. The current capacity is 45 tons of tempeh per month. Rumah Tempe Azaki has successfully exported tempeh to Japan. Our production facilities implement Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) and Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point (HACCP) systems. Our tempeh is fresh tempeh that is hygienically packaged with an attractive appearance and has been certified by BPOM and Halal MUI, processed with a modern process by implementing a food safety system and hygienic production methods to produce quality, clean white tempeh without cuticle-free tempeh and also tasty and nutritious.
about barbecuing anything.
Heat up a pan, oil, chuck in your favourite protein, because we're vegan, we're going with tempeh. Whoops a dizzy. Look how lovely and golden they are.
And now to beat your nan, your granddad, your mum, your dad, your sister, or even the favourite barbecue restaurant you go to has a recipe for. This is mine. Dark soy sauce, date syrup, mustard, tomato paste, a touch of cinnamon, garlic powder.
Chuck that into there, then you want to fry them until it goes sticky. Serve it up with whatever grain you want, whatever slaw you want, and then finish with some black sesame seeds to make yourself look bougie.